4090 from MSI, ladies and gentlemen. Or what's left of it. This MSI was purchased on Facebook, as you may have already guessed, listed as working. Customer paid cash, I don't know how much, and once he got home, he realized that it wasn't working. He then took it to a nearby shop, which had said that this thing is fried, and they offered him $200 for it. Some of those who know how much these dead 4090s cost these days probably thinking, this shop is a ripoff. And I agree, but in this case, he should have taken the money. Why, you may ask? That's why. These MSI cards are sold on eBay for parts with no core or memory for around $200. You've seen me resurrecting one of them in my earlier videos, which if you have missed, be sure to go and check it out. In any case, there's nothing here to fix, and that's all thanks to this guy, who sold this GPU to an unsuspecting buyer. Now, I don't know if this story is 100% true or not, but I have no reason not to trust the owner of this GPU. So if you recognize this person, please ask him to do the right thing, so we can all live happy ever after. You know, after he goes to jail. Goodbye.